I'm going to review the best gaming keypad in the market for this year. All over this video, our focus will be on finding the best of the best product. And from a list of the best products available in the current market, we have picked these products as the most spectacular. We are certain you won't be disappointed after watching this video. In selecting these products, there are various factors which we should take into consideration. As a result of the hard work and time invested in the selection of these products, we can assure you of a stress-free process whenever you decide to make a purchase of your desired product. These include reviews from our customers like you on various sites, performance, and specifications of each product. We have gone an extra mile to ensure you don't get confused when making your purchase. To get other information on each product, the video description includes embedded links which you can open. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future. At number 1, Razer Nostromo PC Gaming Keypad. This gaming keypad features 16 programmable hyper-response gaming buttons. It also features an 8-way directional thumbpad, which you can set up as modifier keys or for movement. For use in low light conditions, this keypad has a backlight that you can toggle on or off. It also allows users to save up to 20 profiles for various games. There are 3 lights below the key numbered 15, which change according to the key's profile. The only downside to the use of this keypad is the inconvenience if used for FPS games. At number 2, a Cepha T9 Pro Gaming Keypad. Choose from 7 different LED light colors to enjoy customized gameplay with this keypad. It also offers the option of adjusting the brightness of the LED lights. It offers a quick response with the 29 anti-ghosted keys. With 16 keys, Rollover offers rapid and accurate commands. To provide durability, this keypad has a USB connector that is gold-plated. It improves the lifespan and combines with a braided fiber cable. The convenient design reduces cramping or fatigue when using the device. A common complaint is that the keypads can be sticky to press. At number 3, Razer Orbweaver Chroma Gaming Keypad. The higher number of keys on this keypad offers great functionality and improvements to your gameplay. It features 20 mechanical keys that are fully programmable in addition to an 8-way directional thumbpad that is also programmable. The backlight on the keypad is also fully customizable, and users can choose from 16.8 million colors using the Razer Synapse. For comfort and convenience when using this keypad, the thumb rest, hand rest, and palm rest modules are fully adjustable. The use of a braided fiber cable also offers durability during operation. Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.